Have you ever wondered where all your money goes by the end of the month? You're not alone. Many of us feel the same way, but the solution lies in personal finance and budgeting. It's not just about saving pennies or living frugally. It's about understanding and taking charge of your financial life, and that's what we'll be discussing today. Personal finance is like a puzzle. Each piece represents a different aspect of your financial life: income, expenses, savings, and investments. The challenge is to fit these pieces together in a way that works for you. It's about finding balance, and most importantly, it's about clarity. Clarity on where your money is going and why. Now let's talk about budgeting. John Maxwell once said, "A budget is telling your money where to go instead of wondering where it went." This quote holds the essence of budgeting. It's not about restricting your spending or making you feel guilty about every purchase. It's about planning. It's about being in control. It's about telling your money where to go. Think of your budget as your financial roadmap. It outlines your financial journey, showing where you are now and where you want to go. It helps you prioritize your spending and manage your money in a way that aligns with your financial goals. But remember, a budget is not set in stone. It's a living, breathing document that changes as your life evolves. Got a raise? Your budget changes. Planning a vacation? Your budget changes. Expecting a baby? Yes, your budget changes. It's all about flexibility and adaptability. Having a budget also helps you prepare for the unexpected. It creates a financial safety net that can catch you when life throws a curveball your way. It's not just about surviving, it's about thriving. Understanding your cash flow is the first step towards financial wellness. So let's start this journey together. Let's decode the power of personal finance. Let's take control of our money instead of letting our money control us. Because at the end of the day, it's not about how much money you make, but how well you manage it. What are your financial dreams? A house, a trip, or maybe an investment? We all have dreams, things we aspire to achieve. But the path to realizing our dreams often lies in setting clear, concise financial goals. Goals give us direction. They provide a roadmap to our dreams. Just as a lighthouse guides a ship to safety, our financial goals guide us towards our aspirations. Let's delve into the types of financial goals we can set. Broadly, these can be categorized into short-term, mid-term, and long-term goals. Short-term goals are things you want to achieve within the next 1 to 2 years. Maybe you want to save up for a vacation or pay off your credit card debt. Mid-term goals are those you hope to accomplish within 2 to 5 years, like saving for a down payment on a house or starting a business. Long-term goals are the big ones, the dreams you want to achieve in more than 5 years, such as retirement or your child's education. The key to achieving these goals lies in proper planning. It begins with understanding your income and expenses, followed by creating a budget that aligns with your goals. This budget should be realistic, flexible, and most importantly, it should work for you. Remember, this is your financial journey, and your budget should reflect your lifestyle and aspirations. Next, prioritize your goals. Not all goals carry the same weight, so it's essential to decide which ones are most important to you. This prioritization will help you focus your resources effectively. Finally, review and adjust your goals as needed. Life is unpredictable and things change. Your financial goals should be flexible enough to adapt to these changes. Regularly reviewing your goals will ensure you stay on track and make necessary adjustments as your circumstances evolve. Your financial goals are your vision. Make them a reality. With clear goals, a realistic budget, and regular reviews, you're well on your way to achieving your financial dreams. Remember, the journey to financial wellness is a marathon, not a sprint, so be patient, stay committed, and most importantly, enjoy the journey. Remember the wisdom of John Maxwell. A budget is telling your money where to go instead of wondering where it went. It's about being proactive, not reactive. Regularly review your budget. Adjust as you go. Life changes, and your budget should be flexible enough to match. It's not just about setting it and forgetting it. Now take action. Dive into the resources we've shared and start your path to financial empowerment. Follow us for more tips, and remember, you have the power to take control of your finances now and redefine your financial future. Remember, this video is your cornerstone for building a financial strategy. It's not just a one-time watch, but a companion on your journey to financial clarity. It's there when you need guidance on setting your financial targets, or a reminder on the importance of regular budget reviews. In times when you're questioning your financial decisions, revisit this video. It's the voice that nudges you to keep your financial goals in sight. It's the cheerleader that reminds you of your successes, big or small. Every time you watch this video, you'll glean a little more wisdom, a little more clarity, and over time you'll see your financial landscape transform. So save it, bookmark it, keep it close. It's your personal finance ally, ready to guide you whenever you need. Use this video to build a financial strategy that stands the test of time. Ready to navigate your financial voyage? If this video has sparked a renewed focus on your personal finance journey, be sure to show your support by liking this video. For more insights, strategies, and tips, don't forget to follow our channel. Knowledge is power, especially when shared. So spread the financial wisdom among your friends, colleagues, and loved ones. Together, we'll turn financial wisdom into action one day at a time.